The Ralph Lauren look is not about logos, yachts, or pretending to be old money. It is about quiet confidence, clean fit, rich textures, and masculine restraint. After 40, this style becomes powerful because one detail changes everything. Tip 1. Start with the Oxford shirt. The Oxford shirt is the cleanest starting point for the Ralph Lauren look because it sits in the middle. It is not as stiff as a dress shirt. It is not as plain as a t-shirt. It gives a man shape, texture, and ease at the same time. Over 40, that balance matters. You want clothes that make you look relaxed but still awake. You want comfort but not softness that turns into sloppiness. A good Oxford shirt gives you that base. Wear it under a navy blazer and it looks polished. Wear it with chinos and loafers and it looks easy. Wear it open over a white t-shirt and it still feels grown up. The fit has to be calm. The shoulder seam should sit where the shoulder ends. The collar should hold itself without collapsing. The body should have room, but it should not billow when you tuck it in. Avoid the shirt that pulls across the stomach. Avoid the one that hangs like a square. The safest colors are white, pale blue, and blue stripe. White is sharper. Pale blue is softer. A stripe gives a weekend feeling without looking playful. The Polo Ralph Lauren Stretch Oxford is the most direct place to start because it gives you the foundation of the look in one piece. It is linked in the description. Do not overstyle it. Button it properly. Roll the sleeves cleanly when needed. Let the fabric do the work. If the shirt looks too crisp, wear it twice before filming, so it relaxes around the body. That is the point of this style. The clothes should look chosen, not forced. Tip 2. Wear polo shirts like a grown man. A polo shirt looks simple, but it exposes bad taste quickly. When it fits badly, it looks like golf course office wear. When the fabric is shiny, it looks like gym clothing. When the collar is weak, the whole shirt loses shape. A grown man's polo needs structure. The collar should sit up without fighting you. The sleeves should land around the middle of the upper arm. The body should follow your shape without gripping the stomach. This is where many men get it wrong. They buy polos too tight because they think it looks athletic, or they buy them too large because they want comfort. Neither one gives the Ralph Lauren feeling. The right polo looks relaxed but still controlled. Color makes a difference too. Navy is the safest, white is clean. Cream feels softer. Forest green and burgundy work when the rest of the outfit stays quiet. Avoid loud contrast collars. Avoid shiny performance fabric. Avoid logos that pull the eye before the outfit has a chance to speak. A slightly thicker cotton also helps the collar sit better and stops the shirt from looking disposable. A navy polo with khaki trousers already looks complete. A white polo under a soft blazer works for dinner, travel, or a warm evening out. A cream polo with dark denim and brown loafers gives the same casual confidence without looking dressed down. The mistake is treating a polo like a lazy shirt. It is better to treat it like a relaxed shirt with standards. Press the collar if it needs it. Keep the body clean. Do not wear it stretched, faded, or tired. Once the polo is handled well, the navy blazer gives the whole look its frame. Tip 3. Build around a navy blazer. The navy blazer gives the Ralph Lauren look its authority. It takes simple clothes and makes them look intentional. A white Oxford becomes cleaner. A polo becomes sharper. Chinos look more expensive. Dark denim looks more mature. But the blazer has to be the right kind. A stiff suit jacket will not do the job. It will look like you lost the matching trousers. You want a blazer that feels relaxed but still shaped. The shoulder should be soft, not heavy. The chest should sit close without pulling. The length should cover the seat. The sleeves should show a little shirt cuff when you wear an Oxford. If you can close it without strain and still move your arms, the fit is probably close. Fabric matters. A flat business fabric can feel too formal. Texture makes the blazer easier to wear casually. Hopsack, twill, and brushed cotton all help the jacket feel less corporate. The Richard James Navy Hopsack blazer works well here because it has that cleaner, tailored shape without becoming too stiff. For men over 40, the navy blazer is useful because it improves the whole silhouette. It sharpens the shoulder line, it hides the weak parts of a casual outfit, it gives the body a better frame. Wear it with a blue Oxford, cream trousers, and brown loafers. Wear it with a white polo and dark jeans. Wear it with a fine knit when the weather cools down. Keep the buttons quiet if you want versatility. Gold buttons can work, but dark buttons are easier and less theatrical. The jacket should not make you look like you are attending a meeting. It should make you look like you understand how grown men dress when they are not in a hurry. Tip 4. Choose trousers over constant jeans. Jeans are useful, but they should not carry your whole casual wardrobe. The Ralph Lauren look becomes much more elegant when trousers enter the rotation. Chinos, corduroy trousers, wool trousers, and side tab trousers all give a man options that denim cannot always give. They create a cleaner line. They make shirts look better. They make loafers feel natural. They make a sweater look more deliberate. They also make the whole outfit feel more adult without turning it formal. This is especially important after 40. A man can still wear jeans well, but constant jeans can make every outfit feel the same. Trousers give you range. Khaki chinos with a blue Oxford feel classic. Cream trousers with a navy polo feel lighter and more expensive. Corduroy trousers with a sweater feel warm and masculine. The fit should be straight or gently tapered. Skinny trousers fight the look. They make it feel nervous. Very wide trousers can work, but only if you understand proportion and length. The safest choice is a clean leg that falls naturally. The waist should sit properly. The fabric should not collapse around the shoe. The hem should be neat, not piled up. The small rise in formality is exactly what makes the outfit feel calmer without becoming stiff. Pleats can work if the fabric drapes well. Side tabs can look elegant because they remove the belt line and keep the front cleaner. Do not treat trousers as formal clothing only. That is the mistake. The right trousers are just better casual clothing. They help you look composed at lunch, on holiday, in the city, or at a weekend gathering. With trousers doing the quiet work, knitwear can add the texture that makes the style feel rich. Tip 5. Add knitwear for quiet wealth. Knitwear is where the outfit starts to feel more settled. A sweater adds weight, texture, and softness. It makes a simple shirt and trouser combination look finished. For men over 40, knitwear is useful because it gives polish without effort. A sweater over an Oxford shirt can look sharp without a blazer. A sweater over a polo can feel relaxed but still careful. A sweater under a jacket gives depth without adding noise. The Ralph Lauren cable knit sweater is one of the clearest pieces for this look because the texture is doing the work before you add anything else. Cream is the classic choice. Navy is the easiest. Camel feels warmer. Gray is safe. Burgundy and forest green add character when the rest of the outfit is simple. Texture also photographs well, which matters if your videos or photos often flatten basic clothing. The main thing is weight. Avoid thin sweaters that cling to the body. They often show every line underneath and make the outfit look weaker. A better sweater has enough structure to hold its shape. It should sit cleanly through the shoulder. The sleeves should not swallow your hands. The waist should not stretch across the stomach. If you wear a shirt underneath, keep the collar neat. Do not let the collar collapse under the sweater. Do not let the shirt bunch at the waist. A cream cable knit over a pale blue Oxford is one of the easiest combinations in this style. A navy crew neck with khaki trousers looks calm and masculine. A gray cardigan with dark denim and boots feels more rugged. The value of knitwear is simple. It adds interest without demanding attention. That is why it works so well for the Ralph Lauren look. You get comfort, texture, and quiet polish in the same layer. Tip 6. Use rugby shirts and stripes carefully. The rugby shirt brings in the athletic side of the style. That matters because the Ralph Lauren look should not feel too delicate. It needs a little sport, a little weight, a little old-school masculinity. But the rugby shirt is easy to get wrong. If the colors are too loud, it can look childish. If the fit is too oversized, it can look sloppy. If the logo is too big, the shirt starts wearing you. Over 40, the better rugby shirt is controlled. Look for heavier cotton. Look for a collar with structure. Look for colors that sit inside the rest of your wardrobe. Oatmeal and white, navy and cream, burgundy and navy, forest green and white. These combinations feel classic without looking like a costume. The rest of the outfit should stay quiet. If the shirt has stripes, wear plain trousers. If the top has a strong block of color, keep the shoes and belt simple. A rugby shirt with khaki chinos can look relaxed and clean. A rugby shirt with dark denim and loafers feels casual but still adult. A rugby shirt under a field jacket gives you that countryside feeling without trying too hard. The fit should not be tight. A rugby shirt should have a little room, but the shoulder still needs to sit properly. The sleeve should not droop. The body should not hang too low. This piece works best when it looks like something you have owned for years and still know how to wear. Let the shirt look broken in but never worn out. That line matters. Not shiny, not precious, not over-designed. After the sporty pieces are controlled, the outerwear can bring in the more rugged side. Tip 7. Bring in rugged outerwear. Ralph Lauren style is not only preppy, that is why it works so well for older men. It has polish, but it also has weight. It can look clean, but it can also look rugged. Outerwear is where that rugged side comes in. Think suede jackets, field jackets, waxed jackets, barn coats, and leather jackets. A simple Oxford shirt and chinos can look good, but they may feel too safe on their own. Add the right jacket and the outfit gets more character. The DeSavery suede bomber is a strong example because suede gives depth without needing shine or decoration. A suede jacket looks expensive because of texture. It works with a navy polo. It works with a white Oxford. It works over knitwear. It works with chinos, corduroy trousers, and dark denim. Choose one with clean ribs, simple pockets, and a collar that does not fight the shirt underneath. The color should feel natural. Tobacco, chocolate brown, tan, olive, navy, and deep green all sit well inside this style. Avoid jackets that are too tight. Avoid shiny leather that looks hard. Avoid aggressive zippers and heavy hardware unless that is already your personal style. For this look, rugged does not mean rough. It means grounded. The jacket should make the outfit feel more masculine, not more dramatic. A bomber should finish around the hip. A field jacket can sit a little longer. A barn coat should feel relaxed but not oversized. Leave enough room for a shirt or light sweater underneath. This is where a man over 40 can look more powerful without looking dressed up. The right jacket adds presence. It says you understand texture, season, and proportion. It also stops the wardrobe from becoming too clean, too soft, or too polite. Tip 8. Upgrade the shoes first. Shoes decide whether this look works. That may sound strict, but it is true. You can wear the right shirt, the right trousers, and the right jacket. If the shoes look cheap, the whole outfit drops. For the Ralph Lauren look, the safest shoe upgrade is the penny loafer. It is elegant, masculine, and not too formal. It works with chinos, wool trousers, corduroy, and dark denim. It works with a polo, an Oxford shirt, a blazer, a sweater, or a suede jacket. That range is what makes it powerful. Brown leather is usually better than black for this wardrobe. Black can feel harsh. Brown feels warmer and easier. It works with navy, khaki, cream, olive, denim, and gray. The Allen Edmonds. Randolph loafers are a clean example because the shape is mature, polished, and not trendy. I'll leave them linked in the description. Avoid square-toe dress shoes. Avoid plastic-looking leather. Avoid overly bulky sneakers. Avoid designer hardware across the front of the shoe. The shoe should look good because the shape is right and the leather has depth. A thin dress sock looks sharper with trousers, while invisible socks work better in warm weather. Pay attention to the trouser hem too. Too much fabric piled over the loafer ruins the line. A clean break or slight break usually works best. With jeans, keep the denim dark and simple. No heavy fading, no ripped knees, no stacked bunching around the ankle. The loafer should make the outfit feel finished, not fussy. This is also why good shoes change how a man carries himself. You stand differently when the shoes are right. The whole outfit feels more deliberate, even if the rest of the clothing is simple. Tip 9. Master the color palette. The Ralph Lauren look feels expensive because the colors are disciplined. It is not built around bright colors fighting for attention. It is built around navy, white, cream, khaki, camel, olive, brown, burgundy, gray, and denim blue. These colors work because they already understand each other. Navy with white looks sharp. Cream with brown feels warm. Khaki with blue feels classic. Olive with denim feels rugged. Burgundy with gray adds depth without becoming loud. This is useful for men over 40 because quiet color makes the outfit feel confident. If you struggle with color, copy nature first: sand, sea, stone, leather, grass, and sky. Loud color can work, but it needs more skill. If the shade is wrong, the whole look can feel forced. Start with 2 or 3 colors in one outfit. Do not use every classic color at once. A navy blazer, white shirt, khaki trousers, and brown loafers is enough. A cream sweater, blue shirt, dark denim, and brown belt is enough. An olive jacket, white polo, navy trousers, and suede shoes is enough. The eye should move easily across the outfit. Nothing should interrupt it. That is how clothing starts to look expensive, even when the pieces are simple. Be careful with black. Black can look stylish, but it is not the center of this style. This look is warmer. It belongs more to navy, brown, cream, and khaki. Think of the mood: coastal weekend, country lunch, city dinner, quiet hotel lobby, summer garden, autumn walk. Not nightclub, not red carpet, not fashion experiment. When the colors are calm, the last job is to keep the accessories just as disciplined. Tip 10. Finish with belts, watches, and sunglasses. Accessories should finish the outfit, not steal it. That is the rule. The Ralph Lauren look depends on restraint. The shirt, trousers, jacket, and shoes should already be doing most of the work. The accessories are there to close the gaps. The final test is simple. Remove one accessory before you leave if the outfit feels busy. This keeps the outfit honest too. A brown leather belt can connect the shoes and trousers. A simple watch can make the wrist look finished. Tortoiseshell sunglasses can soften the face and work with the warm color palette. A woven belt can look excellent in summer, especially with chinos, linen, or loafers. But the details must stay quiet. Avoid giant watches, avoid loud buckles, avoid bracelets stacked up the arm, avoid sunglasses that make the face look severe. Over 40, the best accessories usually look useful before they look decorative. That is why leather works so well. It ages, it softens, it carries marks in a good way. A belt does not need to match the shoes perfectly, but it should live in the same family. Brown shoes with a brown belt is usually enough. A watch should be in proportion to the wrist. It should not look like a gadget. It should not look like a trophy. Sunglasses should frame the face without becoming the whole face. This is the final discipline of the look. Do not add something just because the outfit feels simple. Simple is often the point. The man should come through first. The clothing should support him. When the shirt fits, the trousers fall cleanly, the jacket has texture, the shoes are right, and the accessories are quiet, the Ralph Lauren look starts to feel natural. Not loud, not young, not overdone, just masculine, polished, and expensive. Like, subscribe, and watch the next video for more style upgrades over 40. The items are linked in the description, so you can build the look slowly and start with the pieces that change the outfit fastest.